Okay, here's the house on 46th Avenue, loaded with cockroaches, billions of them. You can't imagine what it looks like, the pure filth in this house. You can't imagine what it looks like. It's incomprehensible. Absolutely incomprehensible. We just killed millions of roaches with bombs. And it's horrible. You cannot even imagine what we smell like. And I got this mask, it ain't helping. It ain't helping. Okay, you can't imagine these dead cockroaches. Okay, you just can't imagine what I'm looking at. I mean, just to give you an idea. I mean, by the millions. Absolutely sickening. Sickening. Absolutely sickening. Incomprehensible. Okay. Incomprehensible. 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 Okay.